Do you want your kids to learn Igbo language, asụsụ Igbo? Ị chọrọ ka nwa gị ma ọ bụ ụmụ gị mụta asụsụ Igbo? The Igbo educational materials that I make is the best for them to start, especially for parents that really don't have time, to be teaching their children one-on-one on how to speak this beautiful language. All you need to do is to come to my inbox. Let's talk about how to get you the best materials for them. These materials consist of flashcards, almanacs, videos,
and illustrations that can help them learn this beautiful language. Remember that these materials are only made for people that don't know how to speak Igbo at all, which simply means that if you're learning Igbo language from scratch, if you are starting out, your children or you as an adult, this is the best place to pick these materials. You can, they are interactive. Some of them have the sounds. For example, the Igbo alphabets that we call Edemede Igbo. They have the correct way to pronounce each and every one of them. So they are quite interactive. If you want the paper cards, they are there. If you want the e-cards, that is the electronic cards that you can see with your phone or with your tablet, they are there. If you also want to join my class, I run weekly classes where I teach my beautiful students how to speak this language. The classes run Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 1 hour each day. So you can simply book your time with me at www.myigboworld.com or on my Stella store, whichever way you want to do it. So simply head over to the link in the comment section or link in my bio or in the caption. Book your time if you want one-on-one teaching, one-on-one classes, one-on-one lessons on this beautiful language. Simply get in touch, okay?